The SunRisers Hyderabad are a franchise cricket team based in Hyderabad, India, which plays in the Indian Premier League. They are one of the 8 teams to compete in the 2020 Indian Premier League, which will be their 8th outing in all the IPL tournaments. The team is currently being captained by David Warner and coached by Trevor Bayliss, with Brad Haddin as assistant coach, Muttiah Muralitharan as bowling coach and VVS Laxman as mentor. The Board of Control for Cricket in India released the fixture details on 18 February 2020. The league stage was scheduled to start on 29 March 2020, with the opening match between Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super Kings, the 2 finalists of the previous season, at Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. On 13 March 2020, the BCCI postponed the tournament until 15 April in view of the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. On 14 April 2020, Narendra Modi said that the lockdown in India would last until at least 3 May 2020, with the tournament postponed further. The following day, the BCCI suspended the tournament indefinitely due to the pandemic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.